There's never been a better time to do life science in Wales. We've got some really world-leading strengths by some measures.
The Welsh Government have helped us with grants around the capital that we've had to spend, and that's been amazing for us. The pool of people that I work with are the people really that make the difference. These are the guys that put the effort into making the products that then go on to really make a difference in people's lives.
We had a team from Johnson & Johnson Innovation visit Cardiff. We met with a lot of different people, including academics, companies, government stakeholders, and we walked away excited. The level of integration and cooperation that we saw within all the stakeholders, as well as the breadth of quality, that's what we want to be part of.
The hub is really exciting. It's a central pillar of our whole strategy. It's the nerve centre for all of life science in Wales.
It has to be more than just the companies themselves or the academics themselves. It has to be a group of stakeholders which are all aligned to participate in the ecosystem and all are able to drive forward the life sciences. And I think the Life Science Hub in Cardiff is an extension of that. It's really an opportunity to take the vision and operationalize it.
I started my career in GE in Cardiff, and at the time there wasn't anything like BioWales in this area. I came back last year and I was blown away. This is an international aspirational event. It brings people from technology, from business, from other sectors together in a way that can only promote life sciences in Wales.
The Welsh Government are extremely helpful and proactive. They work very hard to secure business. Second to none. I really enjoy working here.